It's still Tuesday, June 18th. I kind of misjudged that salmon. I thought it was around 5 pounds. It's a 7-pound salmon and a 3.5-pound rainbow. Ought to be some good eating. That'll do it here, June 18th, 2024 here at the lake. It's Wednesday, June 19th. Out here trolling my worms. Got a nice, about a 4-pound rainbow. First hit of the day. And I've been trolling about 3 hours, so. One line 20 feet and one line 45, and the one that was down 45 got hit. $60 foot of water. If I get another hit, I'll get back on here. Friday, June the 21st. And we've been fishing with bare worms and a cowbell and a piece of a worm. And I caught 2 with the cowbell today, and with the other guy caught 1 with a lure. But that's the catch. There's all nice looking rainbows. We got 3. I got 2 and Davey got 1. We're gonna troll on down towards the bushes, and 57 foot of water. I'm down about 45 feet on the downrigger, and about 3.5 colors out on the lead line with the cowbell on. So we're going to troll on down, turn around, and clean some fish, and call it a day here, June 21st, 2024. It's a Friday. That's Tuesday, June 25th, 2024. Coming back off a successful day here at the lake. We decided to pull lures today, and we got a whole bunch of nice fish. 4 good ones at least, all before 10 in the morning. So speedy shiners down at 35 feet. Good day here on Lake Almanor. Still Friday, June 28th. We're out here pulling lures, and here's a couple of nice rainbows that we picked up today. Like 2 3/4 3-pounders. Friday, June 28th, 2024.